Jeffrey folded a sheet of paper in half. When he opened it, he noticed there were 2 equal parts. If he shades one part, what fraction would be represented? So he took his piece of paper, and he says that when he folded it in half, so here's my piece of paper. He folded it in half, and he had 2 equal parts. Those are going to be as equal as Miss Garza can get them because I'm drawing with my mouse on my computer screen, okay? So this is the 2 parts, and it says if he shades one part and there are 2 equal parts, what fraction would be represented? Well, I'm going to shade my one part. So there's my one part shaded. Okay. What fraction is going to be represented here? Well, I have 2 parts. That's my denominator because remember your denominator represents the number of pieces in the whole, and my whole has 2 pieces or 2 parts. And then your numerator is what is being counted or represented. And here I would only be counting or representing the shaded part. So 1/2 of my paper, or Jeffrey's paper, is going to be shaded. So letter A is your correct answer. Letter B is incorrect because if you had 2 halves, that means he would have shaded both of these. This would be 2 halves. That is one whole. That means the whole paper would have been shaded. That is not what he did. He only shaded one part. 2/1, that's 2 parts of 1. That's not, you can't do that. And then 1/1 would be, again, if he didn't cut his paper in half, it looked like this, and he just shaded the whole paper. That is one paper shaded of 1 total pieces of paper. And that is not correct because we have parts here. So letter A is your correct answer.